I made this sick animation in Adobe After Effects and I want to use it in Unreal. First I render it out as a PNG sequence. I then open my project in Unreal, create a folder under Contents called Movies. In Explorer I copy my PNG sequence to this new folder. I create a new image media source. I give it an easy to remember name, then double click it and set the sequence path to where I copied my PNG sequence. You'll be asked if you want to import the footage, just say no, don't import. Then I create a media player and tick Video Output Media Texture Asset. This will create a media texture along with your player. You can open the media player and check if your PNG sequence is okay. Make sure that Play on Open is ticked. It is in the looked animation, so that remains unticked. I want to play this PNG sequence in a widget, so I create a material, set the material domain to user interface, and the blend mode to translucent. I drag in the media texture and simply connect the RGB to final color and the alpha to opacity. Now I create my widget, add an image to it, and set it to the material I just created. Now I open up the widget's graph and create a variable of the type media player. Compile the widget and select a variable and set it to the media player I created before. On the vent construct, I grab that variable and drag an open source node from it and set the media source to the PNG sequence image media source. Because we set it to Play on Open, it'll automatically play when the widget is created and added to the viewport. What I do is to create a do once node on the vent tick that starts closed, that will check whether the media player is playing. If it is, it'll reset the do once node to keep on checking, and if it isn't, it'll remove the widget from the screen. As I know the animation is longer than say 0.2 seconds, I add a little delay when I set the media player source to start playing, and then reset the do once check on tick. This gives it a little time to get going before it starts checking if it's finished yet. And there you have it, my funky PNG sequence playing in an Unreal widget. Let me know if these tips are helping you.